Minister, do you think there's ever been any other government in the world that has been told that they could have an additional €14 billion in revenue and said, no, we don't want it? And then go on actually to spend, what is it now, €8 million in legal fees, fighting to ensure that we don't get the money. €14 billion is more than 3 times the housing budget. Imagine what that money could do to address the housing crisis. And now we have an opinion from the Advocate General of the European Union saying that essentially the original ruling effectively was correct. And remember what that ruling was? That Apple were paying only 1% tax. When they were supposed to be paying 12.5%, they were paying 1%, and that they owed us €14 billion, and your government doesn't want it. Will you now withdraw from this case?
You're way over time. Minister, please.
Thanks, Deputy Boyd Barrett. I thought when you were starting your contribution there that you were referring to the budget surplus this year, which has been significantly contributed to by corporation taxes. And as I mentioned to Deputy Doherty earlier on, the tax code that we've had in this country and the pro-business approach has been central to transforming this economy and to making Ireland what it is today, and to making sure that, unlike many of our European counterparts, we have been able to step in, for example, by virtue of having a good economic situation, to help families and to help businesses through challenges and through inflationary challenges at the moment. Something we wouldn't be able to do if we'd followed the policies of the far left or of people before profit. We would not have a state that we could help people with. We would not have the economy we'd have. There is an issue there which I discussed earlier on, which is currently under consideration by the courts. So therefore I'm not in a position to comment on that particular.
Thank you, Minister.
Because it's subject to judicial review at the moment.
Deputy Sean Kenny, please.